In this video, I'll be showing you two ways of doing slow motion in your video using Capcut. However, for effective clarity, I will want to slant my phone horizontally. Therefore, the first one is that you click on the video you want to make slow-mo to. Now, you come to the speed at the bottom here, then you click on it. Then you click on normal. Then the speed duration graph, you take it to 0.4. The next thing, you click on the check mark. Then let me play it and see to it. Look at it. This is how to make slow motion in your video. To do the second one, you click on the video. Then you click on speed. Then you click on curve instead of normal. Click on curve. Then you click on custom. You click on it again to edit. Then where the man want to kick the ball, I want the area to be in slow motion. Then this very particular dot, I will bring it down like this. Bringing the dot down makes the video to be in slow motion. But when it is up, automatically the video will be played in a normal way. Then let me bring this one here as well. Then I move it closer to the first one. Then I'll bring this down as well. Then let me play it. Look at it. Look at it. So that very particular area where the man kicked the ball, I want that place to be in slow motion. That is what you can see from the edit I've done. Let me play it again. You can see. So that is how to go about the slow motion using Capcut with your smartphone. Then after you might have done with it, then you click on this very particular check mark to have it saved. If you have found this video very useful, please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Drop your comment on the comment section, as this really helps the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.